So when I had just started doing gym, I was so afraid that I'm making these mistakes that I don't know about, that are gonna ruin my gains, that I'm not gonna build muscle because there is probably these mistakes that I don't know about. Probably I'm doing something wrong somewhere and I need to learn more before I can start, because if I don't, then I will ruin my gains. I will do all of this for nothing. And the same went for self-improvement. When I started self-improvement in general, I was afraid that there is these little mistakes here and there that I'm making that are gonna ruin my progress, that are gonna slow me down. So I need to know everything before I can start. So was I right? Was there mistakes that I was making that were slowing me down? Absolutely there was. But I'm not gonna tell you what they are. See, when I wrote the title of this video, I was lying. I said I was gonna tell you there's one big mistake that you're making that is slowing you down in self-improvement and that you need to fix before you start. And that's not true. There probably is some mistake like that you're making. The point is that there is never gonna be a perfect time. You're never gonna know everything. So there's no point in waiting to know everything so that then you can start self-improvement. The best time to start self-improvement is right now today. And yes, there is gonna be mistakes that you still have. There's gonna be things that you still don't know, but the point is that you are gonna make mistakes, and the mistakes are not bad, because from mistakes you learn. So when you make a mistake and you lower your ego to admit that you made a mistake, and then you learn from it, and then you take away from it, and then you have a lesson from a mistake that you made. That lesson that you had yourself from a mistake can teach you 10 times more than me or Hamza or any other self-improvement could ever teach you. So learning by yourself through mistakes is the most valuable way of learning that you could have. Other point is, you're young, you have time in front of you. We're both young. So we just started self-improvement, so there is so much time for us to grow and to learn from mistakes that it's not important for us to know everything right away for in the first year, in the first month. We have time, so be patient and be welcoming of mistakes, be excited for mistakes, so don't worry about them right now. But another important thing that you need to know is that you have to lower your ego for that. You have to have humility to understand and admit that you have made a mistake, and then to learn from it, and then to figure out a lesson from it. You can have amazing growth after that. You can have amazing results just because of the one mistake that you made and the one lesson that you took away from it. So again, you don't have to be perfect to start self-improvement. You don't have to know everything to start self-improvement. You just need to start and not be afraid of making mistakes. That's all I had to say for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, maybe you can consider watching some other videos. Maybe you can consider subscribing. That will give you a bunch of value, a bunch of knowledge and inspiration for you to keep going on your self-improvement or to start your self-improvement. And see you in the next video. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.